everybody, my name is Cynthia and I just got a delivery that I'm very excited about from the Fab Clique. They're a monthly solid subscription for December. So I'm going to open it and see what's in here. Guess I should have gotten it started before I started filming. So let's see what we have. Ooh, it's dark. It's black and blue. Oh, let's see. It's kind of brushed, almost a suede-like. This blue is gorgeous. But it's not poly. Kind of squishy, so maybe not a Liverpool, but a scuba maybe. Let's look at the black. Or this is dark navy. Oh, this is dark navy. This is navy instead of black. So let's look at the stretch on this. So here's the selvage, looks like. So a little bit of a vertical stretch. A little bit more of a horizontal stretch. I don't know if you can see, it's really kind of a brushed, soft, suede-like, squishy fabric. So I'm excited to cut into this and see what I can make. Stay tuned.